Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another FABFITFUN unboxing. This is for winter 2022. This is so cute. I'm really excited. This came super quick this year, so I wanted to get a video up right away and show you guys what I got in my box. Just as a quick thing, if you guys don't know, FABFITFUN is a quarterly subscription service. You can either buy an annual plan or buy season. It's customizable, they have great sales, and if you like more than one option, you can get both. There's a lot of great things to FABFITFUN. I've been getting it for over a year now, which is insane, and I just re-upped for the entire next year because this is a little slice of joy I get every quarter. So let's do a FABFITFUN unboxing. I'm gonna start with what I got on add-ons because in addition to customizing your box, they have these things called add-ons, which there's like deeply discounted products, and there's a wide range of products. I've gotten everything from like a vibrator to a period cup to like nail files, which if you've been on my channel for any length of time or seen any of these FABFITFUN unboxings, you know it's 2 London Town glass nail files. I love these nail files. I love the glass ones way more than the other ones. They're just softer on my nails, and I get 2 every time add-ons come on because they last me about 2 per season. And I got my friend a gift, which I'm not going to show in case he watches this. But then because I spent so much money, they also gave me a free Smart Water Plus. I have the Passion Fruit Mango. I do love these. I've been getting them for a while, so I was like, I will take a free one of something I love. So that's all I got on add-ons, which is not a lot this time. I held myself back. Then we have the magazine, which comes with all of the literature in here. It's a great thing to read through, and I will be doing that later. I say this every time, but I miss when they have the customization and the options in the first 2 pages of this, because then I would be able to tell you like what the options were versus what I got. And now I just get to tell you like what I got. So we're gonna hop right into the box and we pull up my little app here. Okay, so my first choice. Usually I'm really on top of it when it comes to choices, and as soon as like it's available, then I'm usually really on top of it when choices come out because I feel like I always get the choices, or I want the choices that are limited. This time though, I was going through it. I forgot it was that day. Work was really hectic. So I missed out on like the very first moment of choices. So some things were sold out when I went to choose. But the first choice that I ended up making was this Coach Signature C-Stud earring set. This retails for $95. It has 2 sets of earrings, 1 little Coach C and then 1 little like regular diamond postie. I don't really need any more earrings. I've been wearing these ones from Love AJ since we got them in the box last season. I love these earrings because they don't have this little post. It's like hidden in the earring so I can sleep in them and have no problem. But I figured post earrings are always like something I will use. So that is the first item I got in my box. Again, that retails for $95. The next item I got in my box, I'm very excited about. This is from Hourglass. This is the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. I got the shade At Night. I did put this on my lips last night and it was so beautiful. So this retails for $39. It comes in this little component, and then the lipstick is here, which is much slimmer than I thought it would be. Like, this isn't necessarily a lot of product or a lot of lipstick, and you can like detach this and attach refillable lipsticks, kind of like the Fenty lipsticks do. This shade I got is like a really, really deep red. It's actually like incredibly flattering on me, and it was really beautiful. I put it on last night because I was like, why not? The packaging has some weight to it, so it feels really luxe and fancy. I don't personally think I would go and spend $40 on a single lipstick. That just feels like a little bit outrageous to me. But since I got to try it, I do really enjoy it, and if they ever went on sale, like the refills, I would definitely get a refill of a different shade because the way it applies to the lips is just so beautiful. And it's matte, but it doesn't look too matte. It doesn't like make my lips look too caked up. It's very light on the lips, and the color's just truly incredible. So I'm very happy I picked that one. Again, that retails for $39. The next choice I got, and I'm so happy that this was still available, is from Laneige. This is the Lip Treatment Balm. This retails for $25, and it has a little pop-out applicator. I used this yesterday morning. It smells like those fruity chapsticks we used to have when we were little that came in the tubes. It smells really good. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it, so this is definitely a daily lip balm. I put it on and my lips felt very, very moisturized for like the whole day. I do have like a night lip mask, but I think I'm gonna start using this as a day lip mask, especially as the seasons get colder. My lips do get drier, and a lip oil sometimes just don't do it. So I'm really happy. I love Laneige, and I don't have enough products from them. I haven't been able to try a lot, so I'm very excited that I have this, and I like that it has a little bit of iridescent luminescent shimmers in it, so this is just so fun to play with. Then the choices for me after that got a little harder because I didn't feel like there was a lot of good choices this time, which I feel like I have once every 3 boxes I say that like the choices I wasn't super fond of. So the next thing I got was from Le Costine Shea Butter Hand Cream. I don't even remember what the other choices were, but they were not appealing to me at all. I think one of them was like a weight for like baking. Yeah, it just wasn't my vibe, and I was thinking like, well, okay, well, what can I use out of these choices? And I have incredibly dry skin. That includes my hands. So I got the hand cream because I figured during the winter my hands get super dry. I have used a little one of these before, and I do really like it. I'll put a little on my hand right now. I don't feel like you need a lot, and I feel like this is going to last me a long time. This retails for $25. It smells like baby powder, which is fun. Which reminds me of my mom. My mom used to wear baby powder all the time. So like I really like that about it. But it wasn't my favorite choice option. I'm gonna use it, but it didn't excite me. Same kind of goes for the next 2 choices as well, which is a little disappointing to me that I only was excited about half the choices in my box. This next one is from Aceology. This is the Lifting Treatment Mask. And actually the reason I got this is because I watched Andrea on YouTube, I'll link her below, and she ended up getting this. I'm not a huge mask fan. I like overnight masks that I can just leave on and sleep in. I hate peely masks. I like don't have enough patience or time to self-care in that way. Yeah, this peel-off mask is supposed to like rewind the first signs of aging. I'm 26 and I feel like I still look like I'm 16, so I don't need the aging things, but it's supposed to smooth out wrinkles and boost elasticity, and I don't know, it was gold and it looked cool, and I haven't done a peel-off mask in a long time, so I thought maybe I would like to do a mask like with a friend, or like maybe once a week I can try to like self-care in that way and get back to self-caring like that. But not super pumped about this mask, but I will use it. I got an herbivore mask a few boxes ago, and it was like one of those, like, it's like a peeling mask, but you just put it on and like let it sit for 5 minutes and then like wipe it off. I never used it. So I have to like, in my mind, I'm gonna use this mask, I'm gonna use this mask, and then actually use it. That retailed for $69. And the last product I got was from Herbivore Botanicals. This is the, oh, it is Aquarius Clarity Cream. It says it's a cream moisturizer for combination and oily skin. I don't have either of these, but I figured, I don't know, it was like the best option out of the things. It's supposed to improve skin clarity and help balance moisture levels, leaving skin soft with a soft matte finish. Ooh, I did not read this before I got it. This retails for $44. I might actually pass this along to a friend then. It said pore purifying clarity mask, and I was like, oh, pore purifying. I do have a lot of blackheads on my nose I've been trying to get rid of, and on my chin. Ever since my mom passed away, I definitely feel like the stress has shown in my skin, and it's been a struggle to keep it as nice as it is. Maybe I will try this. The soft matte though kind of gets me, makes me nervous, but I guess I'll try it. So yeah, this is a really quick video because obviously I wasn't super pumped about everything I got in my box, but that is everything I got in my box for this season. Let me total it up for you guys. Okay, so the total for this season's box is $297, which is great because I'm pretty sure the price of the box is only $55, but as I say every time as a caveat, the price, like I got all of this for this amount of money, does not draw me into it. Like, I don't need to have expensive products in a box, like in a subscription box, to make me want to continue with the subscription. I usually really love the choices in FabFitFun boxes. I usually get really excited by it. I usually get to try brands and products I've never tried before, which technically, those last 2 items that I'm not super pumped about, I've never tried these brands before because I never used the Herbivore mask that I got 2 boxes ago. And who knows, I might end up really liking this. But if we're gonna be really, really frank and honest, the only thing I'm excited about is the Hourglass lipstick and the Laneige lipstick, because the Coach earrings are fine. I could have gone without them. I think what I wanted instead was like this kind of comfy robe cover thing that they had, but it sold out like really quickly. I think I was a half an hour late to choice and it was no longer a choice option. So I just wish they had more comfy options for winter. I feel like they did not have super comfy options. They had like a vest. I kind of would have liked like a pair of fuzzy socks. or like fuzzy slippers or like a beanie or something like that to make me feel like winter, like an option of a scarf. Like I feel like the options this time were very, obviously as we can see from my box, skincare based, which I don't mind. But what I do love about FabFitFun normally is that there's a variety of products and the boxes usually feel really well curated. I just think this time it was not curated the way I'm used to it. And after I picked all my choices, I was like, you know what, I'm not even like all that excited for this box. I will try to use everything in here, but I can't even guarantee that. So it's not my favorite box. Usually winter is one of my favorite boxes, so I'm hopeful for spring, for it to be a different experience. And we will see from there, but this is definitely not my favorite FabFitFun box, but we'll see. It gets better. There's always one that I'm like not super excited about. I think it might have been fall last year and I ended up using all the products in that box, so we'll see. We'll see. It's just not my favorite this time. So that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you felt about your FabFitFun box this season, and if you feel similarly to me that like a little disappointed, or if you're actually really loving the choices in your box. I'm curious to hear what you guys picked versus what I have picked, and if you like your choices as much as you thought you would. So thank you guys again for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.